Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you how to fix a locked up program or a program not responding anymore. So here we have iTunes, and it's not responding. I can't click it, I can't close it. It won't play, it won't do anything else. Just won't do anything. So how to fix this? On your keyboard, go Control Alt Delete. Then Task Manager, click Task Manager. Look for iTunes right there. Right click, End Task. Fire it up again. Play it. Works. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price and Jeremy Charles Prale. Your name came here too, link below.